Hey, welcome. I'm going to walk you through this prompting template that I put together. It's about a 2 minute long video, hopefully. But this is essentially the five phase workflow that I've put together that's helping me generate very high quality V1s of drafts for things like blog posts, thought leadership on LinkedIn, newsletters, different things like that. So for people who are just getting started with using Claude, want to get better at prompting, considering trying to learn essentially how to become a very good prompter, this is the workflow that I'm finding to be highly effective. So I wanted to share it because I think just the quality of outputs that I've been getting from this are really impressive. And it's really just kind of knowing how to present information and package it so that the LLMs can get the context they need to kick out a good V1. So I wanted to share this, and I'm going to share this template as well. So phase one is about prepping your research doc before you touch Claude at all. And this is Claude specific, so please keep that in mind. But you can also use it for other tools like ChatGPT. I just prefer Claude. It's kind of my tool of choice. So in this phase one, you're pulling together your expert quotes, transcripts, data, any existing content that's relevant. Then you do a cleanup pass. You cut what's not useful. You fact check your inputs. And this is a very, very important non-negotiable step. So the quality of what comes out is only as good as what you put in. So you need to give it a lot of context and be very thoughtful about this step. Phase two is the master prompt, and this is the heart of this whole system. You'll fill in 6 different sections, which are things like your article type, objective, target audience, the narrative arc you're going for, voice and tone guidelines, and some formatting do's and don'ts, as well as your raw research. So the more specific you are here, the better your first pass will be. Phase three is getting your outline. So you're asking Claude for an outline before anything gets written. Ask it to explain its reasoning, not just give you headers. This is where you catch structural problems early before they become a full draft you then have to edit and tear apart. Phase four is the draft. So you use the approved outline as your foundation and then go in and restore things like direct quotes that's in the actual expert's voice. You fact check all Claude claims. As we know, it can hallucinate information and data points. So you want to fact check those. And add your own editorial layer on top. So whatever it is, voice and tone check, whatever it is you need to do, adding in maybe some pop culture, some jokes, some screenshots from your product, whatever you need to do there. And then phase five is headlines. So upload your finished draft and ask for 10 different options. And then you can iterate 2 or 3 different times. You'll know the right one when you see it. And yeah, that's kind of the whole cheat sheet. 5 phases, 1 clean process, way less time staring at a blank page. This has helped me infinitely as far as scaling output when it comes to a tool like this. So I can show you what this looks like in context as well. So for the topic, how B2B SaaS companies are adapting their content strategy for AI search, which is very relevant to the things that I'm doing and the type of work that I do, you can see what this looks like at the different stages of the phase with some of the prompting filled in. So if anyone would like to see this, I'd be happy to share it. I do also have this template available for purchase on my Gumroad store, but I just felt like this is a really helpful, very beginner level getting started piece of how to get really good at prompting and getting really great quality outputs out of Claude. So hopefully it was useful.